Oh, look at, I have a third child now. Doesn't look like my husband.
He's Australian.
He's Australian too. I speak Australian. All right, Jared is back with us, and we have joining us beautiful Grace, of course, and then Juliet Rochore from Fisher-Price. Hello, how are you? I haven't seen you in a while. Okay, first of all, who is this, Jared?
Well, this is Boomer, and he's a kangaroo, and he's just here enjoying the festivities because we have a really big announcement this morning. Okay. And Juliet from Fisher-Price and I brought little Gracie here, who is the winner of the Fisher-Price Little People's Animal Sound Contest.
Explain just the contest very briefly. It was a nationwide contest.
Yes, it was, and we launched our brand new Zoo Talkers Animal Sounds product line, and we wanted to generate some buzz. What better way to do it than to have some children give us their best animal sounds, and that's exactly what Grace did, and she's our big winner. We're so excited.
Okay, now let's show the video and show the winning video of Grace doing her animal sounds. You are so cute.
What's a lion say, Grace? Grace. Grace. What's a lion do? What's a lion say, Grace?
Is she not the cutest thing on earth and so well behaved? Grace, can you roar? Roar. Give us a roar. Can you roar for us? Oh no, but there's a look. That was scary.
That's more of a snarl.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah. Grace, did you meet my newest friend? Do you know what this one is? Look at Grace. What is this?
And what do you have in
she
your
has one
hands?
too. She has a
kangaroo too.
That's Little Boomer, but a Fisher-Price Little Boomer.
Yeah.
Okay, now explain to us what exactly Grace has won.
She has won. She's coming out to Fisher-Price right after this to have a little photo shoot in our photo studio, which is going to be awesome, and $10,000. So a great start to her scholarship fund.
So Grace is taking me out to lunch today.
Yes.
Yeah. Me too now.
Yeah, both of us.
We'll go anywhere you want, even McDonald's.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Happy Meal, exactly.
Now, your involvement in this, I mean, what do you think of her little impression of the lion?
I loved it, and you know what's funny is hundreds of videos we watched, and I was one of the judges as well, and we went all over the country, and really in Canada too. I mean, we were watching video after video after video, and again, just to reiterate, is that people would send in their child's best animal sound, and it was, you know, via your iPhone or a video camera, so we were watching, and it was totally random trying to figure out who to win, and we all came to the consensus that Grace was the big winner, and then, you know, part of the prize was coming all the way to East Aurora to visit Fisher-Price, and who knew that Brian had to hop in the car and drive 5 minutes to claim his prize.
That's right.
I think we should put her in a Fisher-Price Barbie Jeep and let her have that on her ride home.
Absolutely.
Yes, that'd be fun.
All right, I think that this guy maybe went to the bathroom on me. Can you smell that? We're going to take a break right now, just check on things, and we're going to get back in the kitchen. Amelia's going to tag team, and we're going to cook with Chef David. Some beef and stout when we come back.